بما آسودم خوێندن پیشەوە هەردەم خوددا بما آسودم خوێندن پیشەوە هەردەم لەکوێ بەردا دەخوێنم ئاواتم بەفری دێنم لەکوێ بەردا دەخوێنم ئاواتم بەفری دێنم ئێمە جوست و چالاکین پێشەنگین و بێباکین ئێمە جوست و چالاکین پێشەنگین و بێباکین چرادا دەگرتێنین نەدانین لە بندێنین چرادا دەگرتێنین نەدانین لە بندێنین قوتابخانە ماڵمانە خێزانی دووەممانە قوتابخانە ماڵمانە خێزانی دووەممانە.
Hello children, how are you? I hope you'll be fine and having a good health. Today I'm going to explain Unit 16. Please be with me. Unit 16, Lesson 1. We have look and listen. Okay student, now we have a story. Please listen to the stories and don't forget, look at each picture very carefully.
Students' Book, Unit 16, Lesson 1. Look and listen.
What are you doing, Aveen?
I'm saying the alphabet. A is for apple, B is for bag, C is for cat, D is for doll, and E is for egg.
What's this?
It's F. F is for flower, and G is for girl, H is for hen, and I is for insect.
That's very good, Aveen.
Look, Kitty. J is for jam, and L is for leg.
And K is for kitten. Meow.
Very good, Kitty. And M is for monkey.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and M. Hooray!
Okay student, now look at Sam and Aveen. Sam say, what are you doing, Aveen? And Aveen say, I'm reading letters. Okay, for example, say A for apple, B for bag, C for cat. So in this way, she's saying the alphabets, okay, and the words. Picture 2 again. Sam say, what's this? Aveen also reading the letters and the words. Picture 3, look at Aveen and Kitty. Okay, look at J for jam and K. Kitty say K is for kitty. L is for lion, M is for mouse. Picture 4, look at Aveen, Sam, and Kitty. They are saying the alphabets. Okay? Okay, student. Now we have listen and sing. We have the alphabets from A to M. Now listen to the sing and say the song, please.
Students' Book, Unit 16, Lesson 1. Listen and sing.
A and B and C and D, E and F and G, H and I and J, K and L and M. These are the names, the alphabet names.
student, as I told you, we have 26 letters, but in this unit, we review from A to M. Look at student this, and we have the letters and also the sound of the letters, okay? Now, let us say the sounds of the letters, okay, student? For example, we say A, B, B, K, K, D, D, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, M, M. Okay, student, now we have point and say. Look at student, we have the pictures and the letters, student. This picture start from these letters, okay, student? Now, all of you, please point to the letters and the pictures and please say with me, okay? Let's say together, ant, B, banana, K, car, D, doll, E, elephant, F, frog, G, goat, H, hat, I, insect, J, jam, K, king, L, leg, M, monkey. Okay, student, now we have say and write. Say and write. Look at Avin and Sam and Kitty. Avin, for example, say to Sam, Sam, write down A. Here it is, capital A, small a. And also look at Kitty. Kitty also writing capital A and small a. So in this way, this will be continue. For example, Avin say, write down B, and write down K. Sam and Kitty writing the alphabets. So you can do it at home, writing capital and small, writing all of the alphabets, so as you have to know how we write the letters. Okay, student, now we have read. Let us read these words and their names, okay, student? So as to know how to write the words, we have to know the sound of the letters, student, okay? We have to know the sounds of the letters, okay? Let us read it. 6, top, cap, pen, fig, nut. Okay, student, hope you know how to read it, okay, student? Now, can you read it for me? What is this? Yes, very good. It's 6. And what is this? Yes, top. And this is cap. This is pen. This is fig. Very good. And this is nut. Thank you very much. Very good. Well done. Okay, student. Unit 16, lesson 3. Now we have play. Okay, student, look at this picture. Look at Avin and Kitty. They are sitting under this tree, and we have the alphabets, okay, that hanging on the tree. And also we have all of the pictures, okay, student? Now, what is this game? For example, Kitty say, le for lion. We have to find the pictures that start with these letters, okay, student? For example, and Avin say J for juice. Yes, very good. So in this way they are playing this game, okay? We can point to the letters to the pictures. For example, M for mouse, G for goat, K for king. And F for frog. D for duck. K for car. E for elephant. B for banana. A for ant. H for hat. E for insect. Okay, student, can you point to the letters and the pictures? Yes, very good. Okay, student, this is the end of the unit 16. I hope you know the letters and the sounds and enjoy from this unit.
كتابي ما أسودم خد پیش ما هردم كتابی ما أسودم خد پیش ما هردم لكني بردا دخلنم آواتم بخیدنم لكني بردا دخلنم آواتم بخیدنم ایم جستو چالاکی پیشنگین و بباکی پیشنگین و بباکی چرا داد گرسنین ندانین لبن دینین چرا داد گرسنین ندانین لبن دینین کتاب خانه مالمانه خزانی دومانه کتاب خانه مالمانه